Hey everyone, hope you guys are doing good. So today I'm going to tell you a very interesting story that how we started Pakistan Primitive Survival Workshop. So back in November 2017 we came up with an idea that why don't we introduce some survival workshops in Pakistan, with some world famous survival instructors who has been featured on popular shows. So we came in contact with a survival instructor that is Chad Keel, who runs a survival school in California and been featured on famous shows as Naked and Afraid on Discovery Channel. So he flew all the way to Pakistan just to teach these primitive survival skills to the people of Pakistan. We did our first workshop in March 2018, so our first workshop was the first step of our success in Pakistan. More and more people started to reach us, and they really loved the idea and execution of a real adventure and learning opportunity. Meanwhile, Chad was really impressed with the hospitality of Pakistan, and he portrayed the real raw image of Pakistan when he got back home. After that he decided to bring more survival instructors, and he did. In July 2019 we did our second workshop in Pakistan. This workshop was led by Chad along with Cody from Oxygen Network and Reza Alabakshi from National Geographic. And this workshop was a huge success. Do you know why we were successful? Because we did this for the people of Pakistan. Apart from our main workshop days, we've been donating our time and energy to the schools of young boys and girls in remote areas and taught them these skills free of cost. And just because of this we managed to save 3 lives of local people, who were stuck on Mir Shikar Peak in 2019 due to bad weather. They managed to keep themselves alive because one of them knew the emergency snuggling techniques taught by our instructors, and eventually Pak Army rescued them from a helicopter. We consider this our lifetime achievement. So we are going to announce our third workshop dates soon. This time we're coming to KPK, so are you ready?
तैयार हो?